A political storm just exploded inside the United States Senate, and in the center of all this is Trump's close ally, Mike Waltz. Well, the room was tense, the cameras were rolling, and what started as a regular confirmation hearing quickly turned into a shouting match. Mike Waltz, a former Green Beret and a strong Trump loyalist, was sitting in the front of a Senate panel, and that too, he was just trying to get approved for a new job. A job as America's next ambassador to the United Nations. But you know what? Things didn't go as planned. Senators began grilling him about two explosive issues. First, a leaked signal chat suggesting that he was involved in talks about the United States military strikes on Yemen. And second, a rumor that United States President Donald Trump had removed him from his powerful role at the National Security Agency. That's when things got really heated. One senator bluntly asked Waltz if Trump had fired him. Well, Waltz didn't take it lightly. His voice rose. In the meantime, his face hardened, and then, in front of the entire chamber, he snapped, "I wasn't fired." Well, the words echoed through the room like a thunderclap. Senators looked stunned. Reporters scrambled to take notes. Well, this wasn't just a denial, it was a full-blown political moment. So, what's the real story behind all this? Let me help you with the answer now. Well, sources claim that Trump and Waltz had growing tensions behind closed doors during Trump's preparation. Some insiders believe that Waltz may have disagreed with Trump's back-channel plan for strikes in the Middle East, specifically in Yemen, where the US had been quietly involved in the operations. The leaked signal messages show discussions that many lawmakers say need a full investigation right now. So, did Waltz act alone? Was he just following the orders, or is there something more dangerous beneath the surface? Now, the same man who's being questioned for his past is asking the Senate to trust him with a major global role, representing the US at the United Nations. But with the leaks, rumors of a firing, and his outburst during the hearing, that confirmation looks really shaky. In the meantime, lawmakers from both parties are now demanding transparency, not just about Waltz, but about how Trump's inner circle handled sensitive military actions in Yemen. Well, there's also talk of new hearing, classified reviews, and possibly even legal action if deeper wrongdoing is uncovered. One thing is clear here, that this is more than just one man losing his cool. It's a glimpse into how chaotic and divided US foreign policies have become, and how American global image may be shaped by very people who are trying to lead it. Stay tuned, because this story isn't over, it's just getting started.